Simply by opening emails while lying in bed and drinking your favorite coffee, you may earn more than $800 every hour. It was a dream for most of us until this approach was released a few days ago. So, how are you going to do it? This is how you can make money online simply by reading emails. This is becoming one of the most profitable methods of earning money online. It's very basic and straightforward, but you must ensure that everything is set up correctly before you can begin earning money by simply opening emails on your smartphone or computer. If you don't feel like working right now, set your smart device to open emails for you on autopilot. Keep an eye on the screen because I'll teach you how to accomplish it. To get started, you don't need any prior experience. This method is absolutely free, which means you won't have to pay anything to get started. This approach is also available all over the world. So, regardless of where you are from, you will be able to profit with this strategy. To begin earning money every day with this strategy, all you need is a smartphone or a computer. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where we educate you how to generate money every week. Before we begin with the video, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on. As a result, you'll always be the first to know when I post a new money-making approach, allowing you to be the first to use it and, of course, make the most money. Don't forget that at the end of this video, I'll offer you a secret extra that will allow you to double or even treble your earnings from this website. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the finish to catch all of my suggestions and extras. Do you have a working email address? Do you go through your inbox on a frequent basis? If you check your emails on Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Outlook, AOL, or other similar services, consider yourself extremely fortunate because what I'm about to teach you will allow you to earn anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month simply by opening and reading emails. You only need to open the email and read it to make money. You can repeat this process as many times as you like in order to earn as much money as possible. If you remain with me until the end of this video, you will be rewarded. I'll show you some incredible extra tips that will help you generate 3 times as much money with this method. Let's get started with the video. On this screen, you may view some of the website's features as well as how you will be compensated for reading emails. You will receive daily paid emails, which you will earn money just opening and reading. You will be paid using a fast payment processing system. On this website, the minimum withdrawal is $15. You can join this website for free, and as soon as you complete the registration process, you will receive a $3 bonus as a welcome gift. You may also earn money by taking paid surveys, which pay anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per survey, and you can refer your friends and earn money from them. Before I show you how to register on this website, you must first ensure that you have 2 items. One of them is a PayPal account, which you'll need to gather and transfer your profits to cash. You must create a PayPal account if you do not already have one. To do so, go to paypal.com and click this button to begin the enrollment procedure. Here and then create an account. Following that, you must ensure that you have only one email account. I recommend that you open a Yahoo email account if you don't already have one or if you wish to create one just for this work. You must search for Yahoo Mail on Google, and Yahoo Mail will appear as the first result. When you can see it, you can enter it. Also, you won't have to fight to find the websites you need on the internet, since I've included all of the URLs you'll need in the video's description. So use your wits and click the link in the description. You can receive and earn money by opening and reading emails if you have a Yahoo Mail account. You can get the Yahoo Mail app from the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. You may also get it via the Apple Store if you have an iPhone or another iOS device. To get a free Yahoo email account, simply go to their website and fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, email address, and the rest of the information Yahoo requires. If you don't want to use Yahoo, there is a website that you are probably familiar with. It's known as Gmail. You can find it by searching for Gmail on Google. Google's Gmail is the first result in the search results. You can use this button to create a free Google account, which includes a free email address. It will direct you to this page, where you must complete the following fields. Then, after entering your first and last names, your unique username, and your password with confirmation, click this button. Gmail is also accessible on the Google Play Store for Android smartphones, as well as the Apple Store for iPhones. The third step will be to visit a website called Paid to Read Email. The first thing I'll show you on this website is how to join up for a free account and get a $3 welcome bonus. You must first choose your gender. After that, you must type your name in this box. Then, below, enter your email address, followed by your password and confirmation. After that, click the registration button. By entering your zip or postal code, then clicking on this box, and then clicking on I'm not a robot, you can receive a $3 free bonus. When you've completed everything correctly, you'll see this message on your homepage: "Thank you, account activated." Your account has been credited with a $3 bonus, as you can see. My credit balance is $3, as you can see. Before I teach you how to get money by opening emails, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I'll also give you some added tips on how to boost your earnings. So be sure you watch the video all the way to the end so you don't miss any of the advice. You may notice some other possibilities to profit from this website in this section. As you can see, there are a variety of alternatives available, including paid surveys, cash incentives, earning points, and more. However, opening emails in your email account is the primary source of cash from this website. After you sign up for this website, you will begin receiving emails that you can view and then use to earn money. Now, scroll down on this website until you reach the section that reads, "Free methods to be rewarded for your online actions." For example, I recently received this email. If you click on the photo or any other button in the email, it will send you to some random page. All you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and then scroll all the way back to the top. After that, ensure that you stay on the page for at least 30 seconds. That's a great advice since you'll be able to prove you're not a robot, and they'll pay you for opening the email. Another example is this email I received, where you must click on the image or the button in the email, then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, then back up to the top. After that, make sure you stay for at least 30 seconds. That's all there is to it. This website will see how many websites you opened after about 15 minutes and will pay you, so don't be concerned if you don't receive your profits right away. With this website and this strategy, you may earn up to $500 per day and completely transform your life. That concludes today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any future money-making opportunities. Consider watching the videos on the big screen as well. Look forward to seeing you in the future video.